Ay, somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper. Ay, somebody come get her, she dancing like a
Be careful!
Whoa,
Shit, dude, what is that
what
thing?
is it?
Why are you here? What do you want?
Yeah, what do you want?
Why are you here?
Go away.
No one invited
You're
you,
not
dude.
welcome.
This is our space.
We don't just show up at your home acting weird.
Yeah, quit being so weird.
Why is it being so weird?
Stop being so fucking weird.
Say something!
Dogs. The fuck?
What?
Coconut, get away from me. Do not do this.
Yo te estoy diciendo a ti que te calles y tú te callas. ¿Entendiste o no entendiste? Cállate.
That's what I love. Nestle Crunch.
Bro. Dee.
Sick with it, group drop.
Are you eating a fucking brick? Don't eat the brick. I don't know what kind of drugs you're on, but stop. Out of the fucking cage. It's for the dog. Fuck off with the brick. Hey, dip fuck. Out of the cage. Hey, dip fucker. No more brick.
What the fuck is that fucking thing?
What the fuck?
Hello?
Where?
Chill.
Scary.
Yo, I'm gonna check his vibe. What are you?
Yeah, what are you?
Bad vibe!
Hi, Mimi. Watch, her ears go like really far back whenever I do like the heavy metal sound.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head? Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
Don't know what you're saying. You're flying higher than a plane, and I'm not complaining. It's getting too loud, we'll figure it out. I'm out of my brain.
Oh!
How are you laying like that? It just doesn't make sense. Sophie.